friends, today I am going to show you how to record video in spy pen bpr6. I am opening the box. Here is the pen and a data cable and a user manual. I am removing this cap. And inserting the micro SD card. This pen won't be work without micro SD card. If you don't have micro SD card, this pen will not record a video. I'm showing you, like I'm turning it on. Green and red blinking and it's turned off. But I'm inserting the card which is class 10. If you want to record the video with long time, so it's required to use class 10 micro SD card only. It's class 10 card and a normal class 4 card. You can check the difference between the both. There is class 4 written over the card and in class 10 there is 10 written here. It's very blurry actually. I think now it's readable. Okay, I'm inserting this card into a pen here. It's got inserted. First, I'm formatting this card. You have to full chat this pen before recording a video. Now I'm formatting this card, memory card using this pen. I'm turning my computer on and connecting the data cable. Have to wait for 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, now you can check it's got connected to the laptop through data cable. First I am formatting this pen. Okay, here is only a single file which is time, so I am opening that file. If you want to set the time, you have to click on this. You have to open the file which is in notepad format. Now it's readable. I'm inserting the year 2019, third month and 30, and the time is 18, 1 and 12. I'm saving it. Yes, save it. Now the time configuration is stored in memory card. If we are recording the video, camera video time will be the same which we have inserted in the time.txt file over here. I'm closing it. Now I'm closing the pen. First you have to press the button 2 seconds to get this pen turned on. Green light is stable over here, so it's in standby mode. If you want to record a video, you have to click the button for 3 seconds until green lights flash 3 times. Video recording will not start. Like if I'm pressing for 3 seconds and leaving it. Now the pen is recording video. Pen is recording video with the audio, so you don't have to worry about it. Now I'm closing the video. I want to save this video, so you have to press the button. If you want to save the video, you have to press this button for 2 seconds. Video is stored and again it comes in standby mode. If you want to take a picture, you have to press this button a single time, so it will take a picture when it's in standby mode. Like I'm taking picture of laptop. You can check. I'm clicking the button, green flash, and again in standby mode. If you want to record audio in this pen, you have to press this button twice. It will start recording audio only. 3 times red light will blink and it will stop. So pen is recording the audio. Now it's recording audio. If you want to save this audio file, you have to press this button for 2 seconds. Now again it's in standby mode. Let's check if it is working or not. I'm opening the cap and connecting it to my computer. There are few folders. I'm making larger view for audio, photo, video and time. First we are checking the audio. I'm clicking on it. It's recording the audio. Okay, it's recorded the audio so now I'm showing you the picture from the pen with the date 2019 3:30 18 to 25. We have stored the time and pen is just using that time. I'm closing it, opening the another picture. It's blurry because it's taken with zero background. Now a video. If green steady light don't comes up here, you are inserting the SD card. Please check the SD card which you have inserted, whether it's working or not, or if it's working in computer, please format it, and after that reset this pen camera using the sim ejector tool. Right now I don't have sim ejector tool, but I will do it with U-shaped pins, which will be useful to me. I'm inserting this pin into a hole and pressing the button for 3 seconds. Now it's resetted. If there is problem in video, you can reset this pen to get it in steady mode. Thanks for watching.